Gaeilge, fáil mímis Gaeilge. Welcome back to fáil mímis Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, topic a de. Tinneas agus Gortuithe. Level A1, topic 10, illness and injuries. Rannóg a héan cad atá ort, ag díriú isteach bheith ag Labhairt. Section 1, what's wrong with you? Focusing on speaking. Agus le múna a rá nach bhfuiltar ag mothú go maith, ceist a chur dhuine eile cad atá cearr leis agus an cheist sin a ragart, chomh a léirú le duine. So asking someone if they're not feeling well, asking somebody what's wrong with them, answering that question, and commiserating with somebody or being empathetic. Beg an bhuileog cad atá ort Tinneas agus Gortuithe uait don chníomhaíoch seo. You'll need a handout Tinneas agus Gortuithe for this activity. Féach an mhuileog cad atá ort Tinneas agus Gortuithe. Look at the handout, what's wrong with you, illness and injury. Scríomh an Tinneas nó an Gortú ceart leis an pictiúr Cuid. Write the illness or the correct injury beside each picture. Mar hampla, tá pian I mo bhóg, tá pian I mo chos. Cad atá ort? Cad atá cearr leat? Cad é nó céad atá ort? So different ways of asking what's wrong with you. Cad atá ort? Cad atá cearr leat? Cad é nó céad atá ort? Repeat after me. Cad atá ort? Cad atá cearr leat? Cad é atá ort? nó céad atá ort? So céad and cad mean the same thing. What? Léana ceistin amach os ord. Read the questions out loud. Agus inis na freagraí. Cad atá ort? Iver héin. Tá slide on orm. Iver dó. Cad atá ort? Cad atá cearr leat? Tá pian I mo chos. Iver a trí. Céad atá ort? Tá pian I mo chos. Iver a ceathair. Cad atá ort? Tá Tinneas fiacaile orm. Iver a cuaig, cad atá ort? Tá pian I mo chruim. Iver a sé, cad atá cearr leat? Tá pian I mo lámh. Iver a seacht, céad atá ort? Tá Tinneas clúise orm. Iver a hocht, cad atá ort? Ó, tá pian I mo bhóg. Iver a ní, cad atá ort? Tá Tinneas cín orm. Iver a de, cad atá cearr leat? Tá pian I mo lámh. Iver héindeach, cad é atá ort? Tá scornach hín orm. Iver dóideach, cad tá ort? Tá pian I mo bhuineáil. Agus na freagraí, I'll have you read through the answers and check your spelling. Tá slide on orm. Tá pian I mo chos. Tá Tinneas fiacaile orm. Tá pian I mo chos. Or tá pian I mo ghlúin. I think one might be the knee and one might be the foot. Tá pian I mo chruim. Tá pian I mo lámh. Tá Tinneas clúise orm. Tá pian I mo bhóg. Tá tinneas cín orm, tá pian am a lámh, tá scornach cín orm, tá pian am a winál. And if somebody asks you how are you and you're miserable, usually they'll commiserate with you. So let's get a few sentences that we can use. Cad atá ort? What's wrong? Oh, ní bhfuaim rom wa. I don't feel too good. No, ní bhfuaim gama. I don't feel good. Tá tinneas cín orm. I have a headache. So ní bhfuaim gama. Tá tinneas cín orm. Oh, is mór an trua sin. That's a pity. Is mór an trua sin. That's a pity. Is mór an trua sin. Cad atá cearr leat? What's wrong with you? Well, tá pian in my lámh. I have a pain in my hand. Ní bhfuaim gama. I don't feel good. A chréitúr. Oh, you poor wretched thing, you poor thing. A chréitúr. A chréitúr. A chréitúr. Céad atá ort? Tá scornach cín orm. Ní bhfuaim ro wa. Is mór an trua sin. Is mór an trua sin. Cad atá ort? Tá pian am a winál. Ní bhfuaim gama. A chréitúr. A chréitúr. So the two phrases you can use to extend sympathy to somebody when they're sick is mór an trua sin. That's a pity. That's a big pity. Is mór an trua sin. A chréitúr. A chréitúr. Oh, you poor thing. A chréitúr. For anamnacha riamhochlacha, prepositional pronouns. So you'll notice we use the prepositional pronoun on, orm, on me. I am sick, I have a headache, on me. Tá tinneas cín orm. Okay, so tá tinneas cín orm. Tá tinneas cín ort. You have a headache. Tá tinneas cín he has a headache. Tá tinneas cín she has a headache. Tá tinneas cín hí. Tá tinneas cín hí. Tá tinneas cín orm. I'll have you read them after me. Tá tinneas cín ort. Tá tinneas cín Tá tinneas cín hí. Is tré de cheanga chealtach iad na foranamnacha riamhochlacha. So prepositional pronouns are characteristic of the Celtic languages. An féidir leat suíomh ein cheann eile. Can you think of any other ones? Cuimhnig na foranamnacha riamhochlacha le agus ag that we have used before. Lum, leat, leis, lei, agum, agat, age, ake. You repeat them after me. Orm, earth, erhi. Le, lum, lat, leis, lei. Egg, agum, agat, age, ake. Anish, cad atá no erhi. What's wrong with him or her? So we'll put that into practice. Tá tinneas clúise Tá tinneas cín Tá slaidán Tá tinneas cín hí. Tá tinneas fiacla hí. Tá casacht hí. Your turn. Cad atá Agus sin deire le cad atá ort cuid dó, and that's the end of What's Wrong with You Part 2. Le múna a Rannóg bhfuiltar ag mothú go maith, ceist do chur dhuine eile cad atá cearr leis, agus an cheist sin a ragart. Chomh a léirú le duine. So asking somebody how they feel or what's wrong with them, answering that question, saying that you don't feel too good, and extending sympathy to somebody. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh Tinneas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.